Hi DevOps engineers, welcome to Devops Wonder, Devops for all. This is Stack of Devops video series. We are going to see about build-based technologies. This is part 3 of the series, so build-based applications. Build-based software applications, SBT. So SBT is an open source build tool which is created for explicitly handling scale on Java projects. So it aims for streamline the procedure of constructing, compiling, testing, packaging applications, libraries and frameworks into a single project, single unit. Build-based software applications, Maven. So Maven is a build prior tool and it is an automation tool primarily used for Java projects. So Maven can also be used to build and manage projects written in C Sharp, Ruby, Scala and other languages also. So it will basically create a M2 folder in the users folders, so in the C drive, and then it will start managing all the jars, all the library files inside packages inside that one, and from that it will be executed through a pom.xml file in the Java applications. And other applications also, it is very useful for building the application, compiling the application, and for running the applications. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Devops Wonder, Devops for all. Thank you for watching. Thanks.